Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about the price update of Shiba inu. What's the price changes occur in the Shiba inu. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Shiba inu is about 0.00007 USD dollar. That is right now price of Shiba inu. Furthermore, if we study the changes of Shiba inu, so now the last 1 hour update is negative 0.84%. Last 1 day change is positive 1.75%. Last 1 week change is negative 13.27%, guys. Let's see the price chart. Now you can see here, guys, the price of wheat in very repeatedly dump. Sometime you can see here dump and jump. Now again you can see here jump, and now in the latest situation the price are going in the dump, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your update? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.